So this is just basically a wine making script for Runemate. Pretty easy to make, so I'll just walk you through it. So first of all, we just made an interface class just for the states. So we just called it state action. We called the void execute. In the main Java class, we obviously have the loop. We call the state action, which is this class here. We check to see if the bot has been started. In the loop, we just check whether the state is null. Obviously, it will be upon starting the bot. So we just basically have checks. So if the bank is open, we want to be in the bank state. If the inventory contains jug of water and grapes, we want to be in the wine state. And by default, we go to the bank state anyway. Check if we have grapes and jug of water in inventory, and then check if the bank is open. Pretty straightforward. Um, in the wine state, obviously we implement the state action to see what state we're in. In the loop section, which is the execute, we check to see if we're animating. Obviously, if we're animating, we're making the wines, so we don't want to interrupt. So we just wait, we return the method. Once that's obviously passed, or like we need to get through to this code here, we check to see if the inventory doesn't contain jug of water or grapes. If we don't, then obviously we need to go to the bank state. To make all interfaces open, we obviously select the unfermented wine because that's what we're making. We're making wine. So we basically click on it essentially. If the inventory contains all of the above, which is jug of water and the grapes, and we're not animating, then obviously we want to, use the jug of water on the grapes, which will then trigger this, then this will trigger this, and then once that's done, and then we no longer have the items in our inventory, this will get triggered. We will go to the bank state. In this loop, in the bank, we check to see if the bank if it's not open. If it isn't, then obviously we open it. We delay until the bank is open, and then once the bank is open, we want to go through all of these essentially. So we want to, withdraw and deposit, and that's pretty much how a simple wine bot is made on Runemate.